Okay, so today we will do histogram, and by the end of the worksheet, we will be able to complete this table. Okay, sorry, this histogram which is incomplete. Okay, but first let's take a look at the frequency table. And this frequency table is not completed because other than the first 20 days that he runs, okay, he ran for another 5 more days and recorded the number of laps each day. So the additional 5 days, he got run 10 laps, 12 laps, the 17 laps, 16 laps, and 8 laps, okay, on 5 different days. Let's see how we can put all these values into our frequency table. Number 1, one of the days he ran 10 laps. Where would 10 belong to? It actually belongs to category 2. If I label 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see that 10 belongs here. Why? Why is it so? Okay, because if I run between 5 and 10 with 10 inclusive, this means it includes 10. Okay, so 10 does belong here in the second category. How do I indicate it? Okay, we will put a slash to represent 10. Okay, let me just use black because this is how we record 10 laps. Okay, and 1 entry. The next entry, record 12 laps. Where does 12 belong to? Category 3, because 12 is between 10 and 15. Okay, so how do I indicate another new entry? Put a horizontal slash because that completes the group of 5. Next, 17. Where does 17 belong to? Category 14. Because 17 is between 15 and 20, so I will put another slash. 16. Where does 16 belong to? Category 4, put one slash. Okay, and lastly, 8. 8 belongs to category 2, so I just immediately put one slash. Okay, so what's important is this tally table here. Okay, basically we are like cavemen. Every time a caveman count 1, he will slash 1. Then now, we will calculate the number. Frequency just means number. Okay, what is the total number of slashes? First blank, how many slash? 4. Next, 9, 10, and next is 2. So if you add up all these numbers, 4 plus 9 plus 10 plus 2, add up all, you will get 25, right? What's the significance? Because he ran 20 days, but another 5 more days. 20 plus 25 is 25 days. So this is how I check that all the data that I need is in this frequency table. Now let's draw the histogram. This histogram is incomplete. There are some that's completed for you. For example, between, okay, he runs 4 days. On each of the 4 days, he runs between 0 and 5 laps. Is that true? Yes, because first category is 4. 4 means he runs between 0 and 5 laps. Next category is 9. How do I draw 9? Okay, I need to draw all the way up to 9. Arrow. Okay, horizontal line and then down. So it's like a rectangle. And make sure I stop before 10. Is it completed? No, because I need to shade. Okay, then between 10 and 15 laps. How many days did he run between 10 and 15 laps? Let's look at the table. Between 10 and 15 laps, he runs 10 days. So how I indicate it? The rectangle or the bar is all the way until 10. Stop before 15. So this is how I indicate that he runs 10 to 15 laps on 10 days, or 10 of the days. Okay, then the last one, okay, for 2 of the days, he runs between 15 and 20 laps, which corresponds to the top 2. Okay, so 4, 9, 10, 2. I checked. This histogram would be completed.